Internet thing mana problem software.
Manipur presidential thamba matungda mogi tongan makena pigida mena handaki mai chena thagala bu thena si matang ni begi tamos MP
President rules say generally in principle ai koi na ga ada sai theng ai ni ha mai theng lam da ngasi bau da ma nam sai press na jam china na hang ni da GEC ba se Manipur police department ma'am lai se bu ga
nama hamde ko question de mala me je do hoye ni ado he kari kari
ai hai si ni la sai so ngam no taw ba slot pi ra ga di ko speaker na slot pi ra ga di rule da ma ko ye no taw le ji tha jan loi ne ba ko no ngang ba ni slot pi bi mi changa ga ni fu Zat spiradi ma na kabai ki to hom to dei question hana advance version relevant no ministry which is sule ko ge manti kedari ko ta ma du na de ministry ko ni de ministry de matu na timetable lam lei ko bulletin na to ba de matu na question ai adum thousand ba ho re notice parliament ko du da bulletin to le ba de matu na adum thousand ba ho re ba o sik saduna hayem sa sam cha thousand ni ba aduma lere question jingdo chin hang question yawi sar question aduna da beda iraga written oina perka da usu yawi ko adu mamla ya de amana presidential speech ki discussion address we so koi party da soi pata kita line TV ona koi leadership so high if I get I'll speak adu ke aina de support issue hale high di bagi lagu yang tiba tahu crisis political challenge politically kuisi visceral na nunggu fruit masih nusin ada bagi mami marom dong set lewa nama adu bu Manipur tugai ye kalai ba tugai kita bani na UTO kita bani kain talai ba politician kamu se moi ngasiwa ba moi fruit ba ida cai di sing na moi na cai de politics to in cai ako gi nahan gi ako gi one of our senior most leader hai ta re chi maram Twitter ko matan kai ke da national party ba majoritarian and the interest so in work to politics to in cai ni taga to moi atop layer of the full machine in China Burmese Hadora Kaneduga, Moigi political little Kabus in the fruit China politics Kasabona China. I quite not see Adugi political challenge and be out in it. I give more matunity, see the party one. I give more matunity. When conducting a challenge, violence is about political project in a lower. Razniti, Mataropane, Manipur, Tugai, Natropara, King's House is another name. Means me, I'm seeing a top of Pammy, I'm just seeing a go. Heidi, I suicide, and Tabi or Malay party workers in the heights. Chidambaram, made the Chidambaram. India ki politics tawriba India will lenga leba elite mayam ki makok te yawa wakhalo na manai atur ma jati apik jati bo chona nam that phire atur ma sing je sakthung phidung re na nasing nang ge wa te chai kun try propagate ra ba sandok tan la na chu sangra bo wakhalo na manai ba masi India bele pa si ran tawriba bureaucrats the political elites, intellectual classes, sigi wakal jana dan jai kun sa handak ki thoi brum da so to hai ra le ba adu ba wakal no wa ne ba party ki na ba koi party ki dai na su clarify to any solution ji consultative witness kai u da Manipur leiba furu pudi wangna yana ba section pudi wangna ya ba ma consensus sama de yubam wa da ne hai mane and unit territory ha ba separate mission ya da furu mai te chauna lai da ko aduna mana na ngai da by personal opinion party position de it's a consultative toroga Manipur furu pudi na ya da ne this is the party policy na chidamra na ngai congress an tar je moina ai na Manipur biam da hai ni ki sa chahi kuntra ma kari ma academic circle da newspaper da corridor of power bureaucracy marakta political party mayam da cutting across party line da atol ma furu amabu ajo furu mumna nam that pire moi phomum thokpa sen thum marang chaina phangandre haina sigi wakhalon gi narrative amana sugraba wakhalon magi mami ne base si party da te si aduna sigi pocha akoi koi wakhan ta chang ani ne kan sai je mine attack to the politics ta majoritarian hai di lai da adegi deprivation to re adegi mi phu lai re kai si dai ko counter to lai to lu ge na khoi na waza oi ne da tu thana bi dan de si gi do me ai nga he khai jo do Lebanon no thok nu mani bu jang sai 3 way division je Lebanon chu to bi sa nei hai la ba ne ba moi na Lebanon ki to ba si moi na kan social model to ta kai na intellectual change na seminar ma pang buding da ai akoi swai da journalist na waru bi ade political class intellectual le na relationship ga mi ya top society advanced society le ram khene moi di izzat le na loina bane ba wakhalon shape to elite ko society mo aduna moi wakhalon institution gra bane ba khabar ri ba pa ri ba ngang ne ba seminar na sidai da Delhi da le ba IIC habitat center the bureaucracy yauni intellectual class journalist yauni academics yauni cultural gi I'm thinking about your Pumam worries on a bump is a gada, Semakiba Wakalone, at the Yupomo reflection ever. Aton Mazatida, Moy Basana, Natuk and never autonomy peace ever, Wakalonte, already true to the labor number. I do get reflection when they say party, the way most are going to come over the political in a dark post, political in a suit for Mama Changi. Politics was in charge of politics, they exposed among IDC, parliamentary manundo, Yarama Palo, not the way that's the fruit of my party. We get divided through the trap, the popularity, big emotion, and over. I do no political leaders, I put money for the later one. I see that I do not. Both evening in Liam to them, and then I give divided rule to every big emotions, and a salaga, to politics of the tomb, yet the higher than I go. I see it, what she, I do the name, I could, I eat a man, the internet thing, and not there. I look at it, for now, we tell me low in a chat, man. I'm honest, the entire cookie guide, more in a separate woman and a yard, see, my wife's had entire haircut. See, politics. Kana muna articulate to ni mo na tawra silence to ni nang kaya confident we get to high to guy I na unlike you I manipulate la ni I sumasana malay si sana la ine se entire cookie adu ha ro we ka mo je koi su taman segai no se de ka hai this is politics. Politics is something that according to me, the influence of the party maneuver. Now we are talking now to the self that not mother Namapa Hanas Wario and Tagi 100 Sigi Imam Maka. I could state leader of the central leader to the Kari Madugi Gatto Madugi Gatsu Chama Manunga Trama could the Yormo Masiko. Center na sana na baga. Ako na CLP na ay sa liman so na party office talaga ida juko na. Ay ko CLP na phone na gat ka ay masage ko kasi na Delhi ka Imphal level relationship da state craft ko natin. Lenga ki wade natin every party mark the susi ako renegotiate to bang chang na ay di BJP o era Congress o era anything. Abang negotiate to bang chang na do ay imanga ako na ay susalag ng darami ba ko president maruoy na ko experience na political leaders ta ko kamulan si ko na ko honorable ke soro ito ko CLP na nga iba language सीनेब स्टेट की लीडर है दिल्ली ना हायरे चक्कर अरे आई चलम दाय जो प्रेसिडेंट जो है हाइजर में आइना कोई प्रेसिडेंट होल्डर या इसी प्रेसिडेंट को आया है खरगे जिदाई है कोई सी मणिपुर की इराम थोलक पदा कोई टॉप लीडर में हम फाम देते हैं मणिपुर की इराम थोलक पदा लोकल लीडरशिप तक कंसल्ट होगी डिसीजन को याव लोकल लोग रखने से आयरन अदुमाइना लोक तक हमने ना ये सब है असमाइना लई मनुंग चंगा वारी सारगा इन्फ्लुएंस आफ्टर ऑल इंडिया है बले पाक से रन तौलिसी अदुना मोई सिंगी नेशनल पार्टी में हमने तौरई ने so sida every party da akoi state ki interest represent to ma leader ma changi BJP ma ka so yaw sunu moi da so yawom thoi moi da handa thabok oin ko thorak da se kitang lai ba sinima nungai ta bai wana khanda machan thu na lepa na mi na phamu ni na de ko le to wi pham ta wi se si to mai pam jo party ni mai pam ba party ni yaw je sa tu BJP da yaw ba miam Congress so yaw ba miam JDU ba lepa ki yenna ba te mo se mai pa bu si ro mani adu politics ni se din nang ngi politics ta ideology chung yu policy program chung yu state ki interest nang ngi party de lepa ba ga tawrei ba pose kari no mun na khanga ga mi gi emotion na paksan na sana ga mi ngon da ku chai ra ga to bi ga clarity oi na chakka da ai nga sa hajer is ni Manipur thuga again na tholai ba political leader assembly ki members in jina furup palaga nga oi ngang de ba politics so in thome ba ai ko majoritarian singi interest chak to party ni ga na congress sai ri sa furup ta na te politics ne majoritarian jang kai do ri adegi changthum pidung da ba moina dominate to ge da lei ba ka nguni ka nga ise si political idea do de ba asi thugai bam change ba du wa kan na na chai kun ku chang ngam jang ge na india gi lai ri ba lenga ku de yaw ri ba bureaucracy da ni kan the intellectual class and the political elites cutting across party line ato ba jati manam da bi ne changthum pidung ga be wa khalon lai ba aduna yu phom ma ga moi decision lo ka ne aduna si koi politics confront to bam chang ne So this is something that aina handaki aina hingsa kai do adu ne chance ma mane political aina sohana national media da kai da su panjab haure it's not only in the floor of the house loi tar in political party ki leader in the elite me tar in aina communal gi akhu bo mi the fruit ki akhu bo mi da yu phom wa ga political demand to ko se manipur gi wadana te india gi ne dangerous ni kai bo ni akhu khakti wa ga di moina special case when you get them Manipur to I guess India is okay with the same ideology of Nasaki partition of India to give the communal say state organization of person and Ganga so Subaina Hanasway race of Venakaleduga violence came a town two being that the noon is hardly the noon is hardly I know the idea is that they got them from Lucy the way one of them talk about do sometimes only the book of the Ganasuman Macha Mama tu macha lai be se group ABC oi ga suno nu mai la adu amoi na hanak ki se stage am lan jan re hai be kai no da phara ga makhut chala ka na photo ga thagal ma ga pe di hostage te kin ka oi be si di anob train ne khana thulak te be kudak ta tong ring da ha pe nu pi nga ha pe se ya ole si ya ole adu hai ni puna mo tu so ko justify to ya ro avoid to ma to po ne do lenga sin control to sunga mo de do kambu ne di mase khulai we season na rama gi political game kara phang na one of the high gi adu chinthu na ngo chak eduna handaki hostage taking ja no bani no is separate administration high se nakhut chalaga angang tha ni wan ma pu sur ba hali de na justify to gi high right na khang no chak ya asi handak ai na high ba violence yung phong mo politics de mana mo ta ko entertain to ro to bun so ke government ya na aluga communal nero parochial identity the base of to politics masisu ya gam to te sai ya internet thing mana problem sok pa ya kasu solve to go do na te ni jak to gana internet thing ga kari problem solve to ya Holy me put up my ngang in the Mingang and the Nihade made the double internet in the way one. nowhere in the world sigi culture si akoi sina India manung so one of the record holding one no male we internet ki mage koi ki culture freedom of speech madness na the tau ge the problem je mi ge tap tai chao le na chi su ai hai sin so asu mai cha chi to bom de thok de ko mun ai hai sin political project ama the violence is na bring cha chi no ko kamai ke na de ge da political e to pura hu do ma ka da ko na fu ma chi ya da visceral lo bam nung ge bi yik na ba gi type da ko chu tong na le ra ga di divide lo na du ga atop bi ge dai war tok jai du de atop bi gi political leader the politics su ngang nge mo chi fu pa lam na de ba Today emotion na sana raga to rajniti yaw ge ta raga di miyam gi lu chin mo ge di miyam achum mo mai kai da lam ni miyam da divided rule to ri si da injan na ai khoi na ga an sai theng ngai ni ha mai chang lam da ngasi bau da ma nam sai press na jam chinau na hang yin da GEC ba se mani police department na confirm to over brian to dem ko me journalist ba bu ji to over di khang di na home minister wa ne khoi gi order bu sem lu hai ri ಅದು officially ಆಗಿ ಕೈಗೊಂಡ institution ಅಮ್ಮ ಲೈರಿ police police ಫ್ರಾಮ ಫಾಗದಮ್ನೆ police ನ criminal ಫಾದನ ಕೊತ್ತಂತ ಹೋಗದ institution ನೋಯ್ನ ಥುಗಾಯರಗ ಮಾಗಿ ಮಾವಾಸಲದಿ anybody ನು ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಮ ಲಾಗ ನು PCM ದ ಜೋಕ್ಸಲಕನಿ ಮಿಗೆ ಇಗೋನ್ ಖನ ಜೋಕ್ಸಲಕನಿ ಮಚಿಬ್ನ ಖನ ಜೋಕ್ಸಲಕನಿ ಅದದಿ lawless of institution me am do laitaba lepa am oidoine base this is very dangerous jungle raj aisine natro aduna police ki do niyom chumna aina reported killing ka haire du koin ai na themli du paper da themna bane ba but the police no officially hire aba adu ta de ko maming panne ba sina happen se confirm to ga this is general rule ni chokot pa civilization rule of law lai ma jaga sing na di mi gi alleged pau haire ni hydro mi ngon da dang ki sumaina bi halam me hai na even the reporter ma am journalist em thangwi rang ni even the suspected the alleged and hide ba court na hide takot pagi mami do ai khoi ju taning bagi khoi na aina reported ke just English the thele ga ai the politics sa ko na ga ina mathagat pane ba noi gi hingsa si jan ga angan sumai na ha laga noi ko gi political project ta ne hai du di noi adu di yaro ise politics ni khangni na moi gi politics so palla ga ngang ga da bane ba adu so almost kari no English class lo ri ra kai ngang ba khangum lai di ai na sum angan ai na noi ka malu ne mo 타질 나도 나 이놈이 없는 것에 애는 프레스 하요리 아자우리 세 시기 포치네 아니 파르멘트 살에 아니 좀 얘기나 거기 방안 가는 아주 모이나 하이나 아니 레고도 되는데 미야우기 맨데트 방가 미야우기 콜라오 저들이 any platform Facebook 오이게라 트위터 오이게라 X 오이게라 press conference 오이게라 seminar 오이게라 conference 오이게라 floor of the house 오이게라 나도가 dinner party 도 오이게라 아이고 이 certain vantage point 강가 마망가 탑바 politics influence on the one of say I color AP magi mathau me natra politics ka saguna raga sai ga dabne ba ana mafam matang chana pan me dabne ba ai hu ji haije si problem se kari no se amada mo hai musu ji community machine khana bana te mar kari kara yaw di mo hai le han thoi ji mar natra ne si kari ngang no kham da ko pakto clarity me lai se Furup karana Manipur the get why na chatki na tawr base masina ni wati ko 100 kilo rice na yam tin aggressive boy na masigi projects illev I know violence na violence ki problem sa lo ga illev sigi politics ya koi confront to jam ne aduna kari ngangani kadai da kai no na na to miyang emotion na sounding ba pien da ba blai un season na ka da he na kanjan na ba to di phai na khale ai me am to ai ngo sem want of vision mani bu chugai ke hai ba ko gi assembly the formation of furup ta ta nan the politics so chai le mo gi elite na su ta we du ga ka mo mu tha do ka the furup ta chai ba le ba ai ko da di politics ya mi bo almai to we phu to na ai ko gi pam ja ge da ni manipur kan ja hai ta ga di han thol lai ba sa manipur chugai ge season na politics amada hingsa season na bane hingsa ge hai di violence ki Bulai season na to ko na lawe se ai handa ki parliament sai si di sem dong to hai ge na kale ek chance panga de di hai ge
mo to onda ki mo gi ki no man puro president thamma matungda mo gi to ngal ke no pi ge da me na handa ki mai ke no thagala pa thena ja si matang de gi mo si MP
president rule say generally in principle idea ni it is supposed to be an exception not a rule mase akoi India ki politics da mase yam to into in a season mase ko aduna constitutional order ma fail oi re haira ga the center ki responsibility law ga moi to matong ne adu luri di akoi ki hogong na ngari sena bai type tam tawri state government ke failure si dai da mo khoi ani mo double engine ani mo yauri ai na sai na abspa thamai se manipur khakte ne se na de manipur ki area ka ta thamdale amana government no manipur na thamdale adu ta pri center ga state ka ji sumaina samam na ga chatpam yauri ba du na president handa ki matang je president nung tham ka do sai na center so hana yawi han da hai bi ram bo asi pot am le ba ko da ko so in principle ai aduna ne he khau ba de president lu ge wari ge ma hau jin ma da government ne hana na pukchen cheng wa je adu mo na ba pukchen chen na ba mai su ka ri ge no da akhoi gi hujik pa le ba le ngak se moi da asi no lepam da nan chi da mrang ge ha je imit mang na ina ko ma ko ro ba ni akhoi gi congress da hana gi sim bi ra mana central leadership da kari ton da karam ba khon da karam ba wahi haira ki ge se Madugi Gado, I Adugi 20%. Government and problem center.
Sir, last question is about the shutting down of the internet and all for the last few weeks.
This is part of a general tendency to deprive people of their freedom of speech. In Manipuri we have a nice saying called you can't solve the real problem, so you resorted to this kind of ad hocism. Same thing the government of India is doing, bluffing people and sending armed forces, special power act here, which is a blot on this democracy. That's the similar reflection to my mind. Banning of internet is simply a knee-jerk reaction. It comes out from a general tendency to cut down freedom of speech as well.
So, sir, what are the questions that you are preparing for this coming this parliament?
It depends on the ministries. I have questions for the Home Ministry. I have submitted some questions on tribal affairs, agriculture, some of these ministries. I have put in some questions. I'm putting more. Primarily the new turn in this violence, hostage taking and killing people after taking hostage. The heat of the violence, women and children have also been killed before. But this is the first time that you take people hostage, put their pictures up, then you kill them in cold blood. I think these killers, which the government of Manipur, I think as far as the CM is to be believed, these are suspected Kuki militants, that's what he says. It must be held accountable. And I think even their honorable member, one of the members from Churachandpur had admitted in national television that it is killed by the Kuki. So I think this is a new level of violence, that you take people hostage, put their pictures up, and you kill them. And this is women and children, including infant, 8 months old baby, 8-9 months old baby, which is condemnable and it is unacceptable. And more so, if you think that your political demand can be achieved by deploying such kind of violence, and if you justify this kind of violence, it's absolutely unacceptable.
And sir, many people.
And I'll see if I get a chance on the floor of the House. I'll be putting up the same issue.
And sir, it is a belief that many people believe that, even I myself also sometimes thought about it, that this violence can be solved only through negotiations and this compromise. But the central security forces have come, bringing in so many, for the last few weeks. So do you think these security forces can solve this violence?
This is a sign of ad hocism that the government of India has been following. You know, you just look at the notification. There are very intriguing aspects to this. First of all, it says that it is for effective coordination, but for coordinating army, paramilitary, and every other security agencies, you have already an institutional mechanism called the Unified Headquarters, which is popularly referred to as Unified Command. It is for coordination. And despite that, as well as despite the fact that the Armed Forces Special Power Act has been imposed in areas like More and Churachampur and many of the foothills area as well, despite the presence of AFSPA, despite the the presence of an institutional mechanism called Unified Headquarters for effective coordination, you couldn't stop the violence. 60,000 people have lost homes. More than 250 have died, women and children. So what makes you think that this AFSPA will solve? I think I see this as more of a strategy to preempt possible retaliation from the valley areas with this hostage situation, the then hostage situation.
And sir, the one MP from Mizoram said that Manipur, there are only two strategies to solve the violence in Manipur. One is the imposing PR in Manipur, and second is to give them secure administration. What is your reaction?
I think both are misplaced understanding. I think our Honorable CM of Mizoram, MP must know the situation. Because if the government of India is not honest in dealing with the situations to begin with, you are going to hand over the same things to the government of India. So the first thing first, the government of India should be honest, sincere, and it should be shown not through words, but through actions. And they haven't done it. They said that the CM is cooperating. What does it mean? That whatever the CM is doing is according to that, their advice or something? The government of Manipur, the CM said that everything that he is doing, it is a reciprocal comment. When the Union Home Minister Amit Shah says that the CM is cooperating with us, that means the government of India, and the CM himself says that whatever he does is under the advice and with the consent of the Prime Minister Modi ji and Amit Shah ji. It is the two sides of the same coin. They are reaffirming that the Union government is involved through this puppet regime here in Imphal. And so what makes you think that President rule? What does it mean then? President rule makes sense when the government of India is different from the state government's activities. When you can separate the two, we can't do it in the last 18 months. We couldn't separate the government of Manipur and the union government. And only when you do that, then the question of president rules becomes an effective measure. But I think this dynamics must be recognized and acknowledged by everybody, that the government of India has been involved, and we couldn't distinguish between the state government and the union government. Because I am repeating again that then the Home Minister says that the Chief Minister of Manipur is cooperating with the union government, and similarly the CM of Manipur says that whatever he does is with the consent and advice of Modi ji and Amit Shah ji. So you can't distinguish the two. So imposing precedent rule makes sense only when these two governments can be separated. And two separate administration cannot be a solution, because it will open a Pandora's box. Even in Mizoram, you have different kind of communities. Either you suppress them completely, or you sensitively deal with them. That is a different. If you want to deal with that with that kind of a sensitivity, rather than suppressing it, that should be the position, not necessarily separate administration. Because remember that India is a multicultural, multilinguistic, multi-religious group. If you started arranging administration on the basis of such communal, parochial identities, there is no end to it. Northeast India has suffered. Many scholars have called it balkanization of the Northeast. You must also remember that State Reorganization Commission of 1956, or the report of 56, it came, was warning against this kind of identity, community-based, communal-based, project of creating administrative units. So I think it's a wrong suggestion. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, genuine grievances of the people must be addressed, and let's see whatever institutional mechanisms can be evolved. However, any mechanism based on ethno-nationalist exclusivist identity is unacceptable and should be rejected outright in this country.
Sir, last question is about the shutting down of the internet and all for the last few weeks.
This is part of a general tendency to, deprive people of their freedom of speech. In Manipuri we have a nice saying called, you can't solve the real problem, so you resorted to this kind of ad hocism. Same thing the government of India is doing, bluffing people and sending armed forces, Special Power Act here, which is a blot on this democracy. That's the similar reflection to my mind. Banning of internet is simply a knee-jerk reaction. It comes out from a general tendency to cut down freedom of speech as well.
Sir, what are your thoughts when Mr. Paulenlal Hokip, who is an elected member of Manipur Legislative Assembly, justified the kidnapping and murder of civilians, including infant, at Jiribam?
One of the most unfortunate things is that I haven't heard elites from this community condemning, for that matter, right from the beginning. As a politician, I expect them to appeal for peace and harmony, but I haven't heard that kind of a voice. A few days down the line, after 3rd May, people started talking about separate administration, which gives me an impression that this whole violence is orchestrated for a political project. And if you do not even condemn or at least show remorse, that said, in fact, that will reinforce certain stereotype about the community, which is bad for everybody.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.